I am Giovanni Fusetti, and this is the International Institute for Very, Very Serious Studies. The students are here to learn a package of tools and skills to then go to work in the field. So they were involved in something that for some of them was very new and some of them were more familiar with it. So it was intense. So we enjoyed the intensity of the work. I gave a period of research and practice and learning on the two subjects. One is clown and the other one is bouffon and grotesque. The first week and a half was on red-nosed clown, and it was focusing on what is specifically, uniquely stupid and funny about every person, and it's about amplification of the physicality of the people and finding how that can lead to a very specific and personal clown. Then we start working on costumes and voice, and so this work on the body became a character, became clown, and the theatrical part of the work appeared at the end. And then the second part was on bouffon, which is a genre of theater that is based on amplification and deformation of the body in forms that are grotesque and are basically mocking through imitation and outrageousness the world of humans. So the role of the bouffon is to watch and getting very excited by what they see about the world and our society, and they make games about what we live. And they take themes that are usually difficult for us and they make them into satire.